of my favorite spots in the city when I'm sitting. What am I doing here sitting under this tree in front of one of the most beautiful monuments in India? I'm here to give a review of this beautiful book, Beloved Delhi, and I don't think any other spot would be apt to describe my city or our beautiful Delhi. It starts with a शेर तस्कीरा दिली मरहूम का ये दोस्त ना छेड़ ना सुना जाएगा हमसे ये फसाना हरगिज़. Don't talk to me of late lamented Delhi, my friend. I don't have the heart to hear the story. And nothing dies in Delhi. The ghost of its past lives roam the streets or bide their time in half-ruined buildings, and they rise up to speak in 1,000 stories that are still told about the city. So this book, it gives the introduction of Delhi, its history, and how the Urdu language evolved in the city, how it reached to different parts of India. Then we have the Urdu's history, how it came to be, how it was known at that time, how it transformed in the hundreds of years, and now what it is. The author has picked 8 of the Urdu poets or shairs, those who belong to the city or somewhere related to the city, and through them he has told the story of the empires and the rulers, how they evolved and what all things were happening around at that time, how it all was basically. It has the history, it has the poets, and it has picked very beautiful poets, by the way. Like, there are so many of them, but these are pretty famous, like the most famous ones he has picked, and they have their selected poetries, selected ghazals as you would say, and a little short history or their life, something about their lives and what inspired them to write. So इसमें I'll tell you more about the poets. तो इसमें there's Rafi Sauda, Muhammad Rafi Sauda, there's Khwaja Mir Dard. He became my favorite after reading in this because I've not read his work before. Then there's of course my favorite Mir Taqi Mir, Ghalib Sahab, Momin Khan Momin, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Ibrahim Zauq and Daag Dehlvi. So ये सब दिल्ली के ही शायर रहे हैं और बहुत मोहब्बत और बहुत इश्क था इन्हें अपने शहर से और लगाव था. उन्होंने बहुत कुछ लिखा है. मैं अपनी फेवरेट 1-2 शायरी पढ़ना चाहूँगा बिल्कुल. ये तक की मेरे बहुत ही फेवरेट हैं बिकॉज मेरे को ये I'll just read it. You must have heard it. It's in so many songs. पत्ता पत्ता बूटा बूटा हाय हमारा जाने जाने न जाने गुल ही न जाने बाग तो सारा जाने. उसी जामा मस्जिद पर हूँ और जहाँ पर मीर तकी मीर अपनी शायरी होती थी. वो बैठ के वहाँ पे बैठते थे और जो भी कोई आता था, कोई मुसाफिर ट्रैवलर्स जो होते थे उस टाइम पर, जो बाहर से आते थे, उनके लिए वो लिख कर देते थे. तभी फ़ाकिराना आए सदा कर चले मियाँ खुश रहो तुम हम दुआ कर चले. दिखाई दिए यूं कि बेखुद किया हमें आपसे भी जुदा कर चले. परस्तिश की आ तक की ए बुत तुझे नज़र में सबों की खुदा कर चले. कहें क्या जो पूछे कोई हमसे मीर जहाँ में तुम आए थे ये क्या कर चले. Oh God, I love Mir, like wow. And of course then comes Ghalib. Ghalib तो दिले नादा तुझे हुआ क्या है आखिर इस दर्द की दवा क्या है. हमको उनसे वफा की है उम्मीद जो नहीं जानते कि वफा क्या है. ये ना थी हमारी किस्मत की विसाल यार होता अगर और जीते रहते तो यही इंतज़ार होता. तेरे वादे पर जिए हम तो ये जान छूट जाना कि खुशी से मर ना जाते अगर एतबार होता. कोई मेरे दिल से पूछे तेरे तीरे नीम कश को ये खलिश कहाँ से होती जो जिगर के पार. उनकी मज़ार पर लिखा हुआ है कि जब न था कुछ तो खुदा था, कुछ ना होता तो खुदा होता, डुबोया मुझको होने ने, ना होता मैं तो क्या होता. Bahadur Shah Zafar also was a very brilliant, amazing poet. लगता नहीं है जी मेरा उजड़े दयार में, किसकी बनी है आलमे नापायदार में. कह दो इन हजरतों से कहीं और जा बसे, इतनी जगह कहाँ है दिले दागदार में. कितना है बदनसीब जफर दफन के लिए, 2 गज जमी भी ना मिली कुए यार में. So this place was known as Zafar Mahal and it's behind Kutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki Saab की दरगाह है. So this is the place where Bahadur Shah Zafar wished to get buried. And then Daag Sahab तो आपने, if you've seen Suitable Boy, like recently it came out, and उसमें दाग साहब की बहुत सारे गज़लों के गाने थे. उसमें से मैं आपको एक सुनाता हूँ. Wow, it's so beautiful right now, like. हमारे खत में नया एक सलाम किसका था, ना था रकीब तो आखिर वो नाम किसका था. वो कत्ल करके मुझे हर किसी से पूछते हैं, ये काम किसने किया, ये काम किसका था. रहा ना दिल में वो बेदर्द और दर्द रहा, रहा ना दिल में वो बेदर्द और दर्द रहा. मुकीम कौन हुआ और मकाम किसका था. हर एक से कहते हैं क्या दाग बेवफा निकला, ये पूछो उनसे कोई वो गुलाम किसका था. This was the book, so I just really wanted to give you a little brief about the book, and it's a beautiful book if you want to read it. Okay, why I was shooting there, which was my favorite spot, and why is it my favorite spot? Even though it's like from every corner, from any where you sit and you see the tomb, I think it's beautiful from each and every, behind every tree or in front of every tree. Like you'll see the best of the views of this place, and everything is just so serene and calm and beautiful. But that is my favorite spot, which is far, like little there down there, and because it uske paas hi mein there's this khanka, there's this khanka where Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia ji used to live, and there used to be Yamuna just beside this, which used to flow, but now it is shifted. It's there. It's very different and a peaceful vibe. And if you go there, you won't feel like you're in the 21st century. You're just, it just feels like you're in some other world altogether. And there's this Gurdwara, which is, I don't know if you can see it. The Gurdwara is there. You can see the Nishan Sahib, you can see, I think, that is Damdama Sahib Gurdwara, which was later, much very new compared to the history of the place. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.